I haven't flown a plane in such a long time. I thought, I'll have a go and see if I could still land an Airbus. Actually, it's a 720, 7 something or other. I think it's a Boeing. Could be an Airbus. Could be a Boeing. I can't remember. Take a look inside. Yeah, that's Boeing. Another quick flick inside. Note that the autopilot is off. And I never could get center line, so there's no point in saying anything about that. I call that successful. A little bit of reverse thrust. At least I missed the grass. .60 knots, kick off the reverse thrust. Still going way too fast. Did a little skiddy off a runway bit. The groundskeeper's well pleased. I love cutting corners. This is Glasgow Airport, by the way, in the UK. Who put that tractor in the way? No, pretend we didn't see that. For some reason, the AI traffic paints everything black that it doesn't understand. Hence the black tail. It wasn't black earlier, so I don't know what the hell's going on there. And the totally black airplane that we've got sitting on the at the gates. I ain't got no passengers, so I'll just park it over here. I guess once you learn to land a plane, you never forget.